Welcome to the Artificial Professor, and in this video I will explain how to add voiceover on TikTok videos. Open your TikTok app. After it open, simply tap on this plus sign. From here, record your video like I am recording. After recording the video, tap on this tick sign. You can also add voiceover by tapping on this voice icon, but I will show you how can you do it in more proper way. Tap on the option Edit, which is at the right top. So here is the option, Voiceover. Tap on this one from here. Select the duration in which you want to add your own voice. After selecting, tap on this icon. So as you see now, my own voice is recorded in this video. After recording your voice, tap on the option Done. Tap on the option Done, which is the right top. As you see now, my own voice has been recorded in this video. If you want to record your voice in your mobile phone gallery video, then simply upload the video from your mobile phone gallery to your TikTok app. Then do the same process like I did now. So by this way, you can add your own voice in your TikTok videos. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and see you in the next video of Artificial Professor.